Welcome to day 15. Day 15 of our series. Congratulations for being here with us this long. And I'm so proud of you, friends. So today we're going to explore a game-changing skill that can transform how you connect with your audience, like linking their current struggles with their deepest desires. This is what separates good content from truly impactful messaging that resonates and drives change. Most people are stuck in challenging places, feeling the weight of their problems, but struggling to see a way forward. They're experiencing burnout, frustration, overwhelmed, yet they hold on to the hope that something is better. More freedom, more joy, more success, more time with loved ones. As creators and leaders, our role isn't just to acknowledge these pain points, it's to eliminate them. So the path to possibilities. I remember working with teachers who were considering career changes. They would often start our conversations by describing their exhaustion, their endless paperwork, their constant stress. But whenever I asked them their ideal future, their entire world of energy would change and shift. They'd light up talking about dreams of traveling without checking lesson plans or having relaxed mornings with their families. The contrast taught them simply and what's crucial. While pain points grab attention, it's visions of the better future that sustains motivation and drives action. So let's break down how you can master these connections in your own messaging. Start by acknowledging where your audience is right now. Be certain about their struggles and their challenges. Show them you truly understand their situation. For instance, instead of just highlighting the stress of a busy schedule, help them envision waking up excited each day, having the freedom to work from anywhere, and finally achieving the financial security that they've been seeking. Your story and your solution becomes the bridge between these 2 points. Share how you've navigated similar challenges and how you've helped others transform their situation. This isn't about just presenting yourself as perfect. It's about being relatable and guiding who's walked the path before them that they can light the way forward. When crafting your message, be authentic. If you're a business coach, don't talk about growing your business. Connect the current reality and the inconsistent income and the constant worry to the possibility of sustainable success and true work-life balance. If you're a wellness expert, bridge the gap between feeling constantly drained and experiencing vibrant, sustainable energy. Remember, this isn't about the grand promises or minimizing challenges. It's about showing your audience that transformation is possible and that you understand both where they are and where they want to go. When you can authentically connect these dots, you become more than just another voice in the feed. You become a trusted guide on the journey to change. So tomorrow, we'll build in the foundation of exploring how to help your audience take concrete steps towards their desires. Until then, let's take some time and reflect on your own audience's journey. What struggles are they facing right now? What future are they dreaming of? Understanding this connection will help make our message to them infinitely more powerful and meaningful. I hope this helped you understand the bridging of the pain and the possibilities in your messaging, because that is what people need to hear is your story.